Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Olvia Rodrigo Drivers lessons. Okay, it has a lot of chord changes and off timing and stuff. Oopsie. So I'm gonna need you guys to follow through. I'm gonna show you how to play the verse first, and then we get into the pre-chorus, we get into the chorus, and yeah. Okay, so we're going to be playing this using basic chords, picture cap on fret number 3 in the key of G, okay? So the chords are G, we're basically strumming down, to E minor, and then we go to C, but we're not holding the B string, and then back to G, okay? E minor, so G to E minor, C, and then back to G. C, that's the pre-chorus. Okay, so C for 2 bars. This is the G. So we're playing C, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we play G, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're back to C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then G. Okay, so the reason why there's 2 4s on C is because it's actually playing the place of 2 chords, and then the G is just 1. So right, and then getting into the chorus, I think. Okay. So that's E minor, D, G, D, C. Okay? That's the okay? That's E minor, D, G, D, C. Let's move on. Okay. The last part of the chorus, hold on, let me find that chord. That's you say forever, na, 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 na. The first chord there is an A minor. 'Cause you say forever. So it's A minor, D, G, okay? So you say forever and now I drive along through your street. And that's it for the chorus. And then we're jumping into verse number 2, which is the same as verse number 1. The second chorus is most probably the same. It is. Let's see if there's a bridge where the chords change. Yep, there is. So let's play that part. Alright, after the you say forever to your street. On the second chorus, we go to E minor, C, G, D. That's the red lights. That's just E minor, C, G to D. And the strumming pattern that I'm using is down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. Okay. Okay. This is a pretty emotional song. Okay. The last part, the I know we weren't perfect. Okay, so I know you weren't perfect. This is just C. Back to G. Okay, and that's the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Let me know in the comment section below any other new songs you want to see on the channel. Yeah, that's been it. See you in the next video. Peace.